Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to install Enso OS. So you might notice that I don't have Enso OS full screen. Now this is because the live disk isn't exactly as good as other live disks. It doesn't make the screen go full. So I have my desktop and my VM so you can see, and everything is still normal. You can still see what's going on, but I didn't want the black bars. So anyway, to get started, you can click on the Install Enso button here. If you want to try out the desktop, you can also click the Try Enso button. Once you click the Install Enso button, it's going to show you keyboard layout. Now, I'm in the US, so I can click the US option and click Continue. This is very similar to Ubuntu, the way the install thing goes. So I would recommend checking the download updates box, and this will just download as many software updates as they are available so that when you install your OS, you don't have to do it. Also, I would check this box here, and this will give you some drivers if you need some proprietary drivers on your computer because of hardware that you need to work. It will do it that way. You know, if you install it this way, the drivers will be installed. So click that box and click the Continue button here, and we'll go to the next page. Sometimes if you click the Continue button, it'll take a little bit of time. So now you have different options. So now I have Ubuntu 19.10 installed on this virtual machine, and it's asking me if I want to install alongside. Now I don't want to install alongside, so I'm going to click the Erase button. Now if you're using Windows or another distribution, you will see this install option, and if you want a dual boot, just click it and it will automatically set up a dual boot. If not, you can just click the Erase button like me and click Install Now, and it will completely delete your hard drive, and then you can just click the Continue button to write the changes, and it will go on to the next page. So from here you need to pick where you live. So it auto-detected my time zone, so I don't have to do anything. So I can just click Continue, but basically you just want to click where you are on the map and then click Continue. From here you need to fill out your information. So I'm going to fill out my name and my computer name. So let's go Enso Derek. And then we have our username, and we can enter our password and set up login automatically and click Continue. Now from here the installation is completely automatic. It just goes and does everything on its own. So I will be right back. So once the installation is done, you'll see a pop-up on the screen, and you can click the Restart Now button and it will reboot the computer. And again, I do these kind of installation videos with virtual machines just because if I don't, you can't really record the boot process. It's kind of hard, But let's let it load up and we will access Enso OS. And we are now in Enso OS. So it's a custom operating system, definitely interesting. I've never used anything like it before. I highly recommend checking it out. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to install Enso OS, and I will see you in the next video.